Did you know that AI-generated content is expected to make up over 30% of all online content by 2025? That's a game changer for creators. The world of content creation is on the cusp of a revolution. And at the forefront of this change is KLING AI, a cutting-edge technology that's set to transform the way we create, produce, and consume content. As a content creator, you're probably no stranger to the constant pressure to produce high-quality, engaging content that resonates with your audience. But with the rise of AI-generated content, the game is about to change in a big way. KLING AI represents a new frontier in content creation, one that's poised to disrupt traditional workflows and open up new possibilities for creativity and innovation. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, this technology has the potential to take your content to the next level. But before we dive into the nitty-gritty of KLING AI, let's take a step back and acknowledge the challenges that content creators face on a daily basis. As a creator, you know that coming up with fresh ideas and producing high-quality content can be a daunting task. You're constantly fighting against content fatigue, where your audience becomes desensitized to the same old formats and ideas. You're racing against the clock to meet deadlines, all while trying to stay one step ahead of the competition. And let's not forget the pressure to constantly adapt to changing algorithms and trends. The reality is that content creation can be a grueling process, and it's not uncommon for creators to feel burned out and overwhelmed. According to a recent study, over 70% of content creators experience burnout, with many citing the pressure to constantly produce high-quality content as the main culprit. This is where KLING AI comes in, a powerful tool designed to help creators streamline their workflows, overcome creative blocks, and unlock their full potential. But what does it mean to be a content creator in an era of AI-generated content? How can KLING AI help alleviate the pressures of content creation? And what are the implications for the future of our industry? These are just a few of the questions we'll be exploring in this video. As we dive deeper into the world of KLING AI, you'll see how this technology is capable of revolutionizing the content creation process. From automating tedious tasks to generating innovative ideas, KLING AI is the ultimate creative partner. But before we get into the specifics, let's talk about the typical challenges that creators face. One of the biggest challenges is coming up with unique ideas that resonate with your audience. Let's face it, it's hard to come up with something new and exciting when you're stuck in a creative rut. This is where KLING AI comes in. With its advanced algorithms capable of generating fresh ideas and perspectives that can help take your content to the next level. Another major challenge is the sheer volume of content that needs to be produced. Whether you're creating daily videos, weekly blog posts, or social media updates, the pressure to constantly produce high-quality content can be overwhelming. KLING AI can help alleviate this pressure by automating tedious tasks, freeing up more time for you to focus on what matters most, creating exceptional content. Time constraints are another major hurdle that creators face. With tight deadlines and limited resources, it can be tough to produce content that meets your high standards. KLING AI can help streamline your workflow, saving you time and energy that can be better spent on creative pursuits. Content fatigue is another major challenge that creators face. When your audience becomes desensitized to the same old formats and ideas, it can be tough to keep them engaged. KLING AI can help you stay ahead of the curve, generating innovative ideas and formats that keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Burnout is a very real problem in the content creation space, with many creators feeling overwhelmed and exhausted. KLING AI can help alleviate the pressure, providing a fresh perspective and new ideas that can help reignite your passion for creating. But how does KLING AI actually work? What makes it so powerful and effective? Let's take a closer look at the features and functionalities that set it apart from other AI tools on the market. At its core, KLING AI is a sophisticated algorithm that's capable of generating high-quality content in a fraction of the time it would take a human. Whether you're looking to generate ideas, write articles, or produce videos, KLING AI is the ultimate creative partner. But what really sets it apart is its ability to learn and adapt to your unique style and voice. KLING AI is also incredibly user-friendly, with an intuitive interface that makes it easy to get started right away. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, you'll find that KLING AI is designed to help you succeed. One of the most impressive features of KLING AI is its ability to generate high-quality content at scale. Whether you need to produce dozens of social media posts or hundreds of articles, KLING AI is up to the task. KLING AI is also constantly learning and improving, meaning that the more you use it, the better it gets. This is thanks to its advanced algorithms, which are designed to adapt to your unique style and voice. But don't just take my word for it. Let's take a look at a real-life example of how KLING AI has helped a creator transform their content creation process. Meet Sarah, a popular lifestyle influencer who was struggling to come up with fresh ideas for her social media content. She was feeling burned out and overwhelmed, and was on the verge of giving up. That's when she discovered KLING AI. With KLING AI, Sarah was able to generate high-quality content in a fraction of the time it would have taken her before. She was able to automate tedious tasks, focus on what mattered most, and produce content that resonated with her audience. Thanks to KLING AI, Sarah was able to take her content to the next level, increasing her engagement and followers by over 500%. She was able to turn her passion into a full-time business, and is now living the life she always dreamed of. So what does the future of content creation hold? As AI-generated content continues to rise, we can expect to see a major shift in the way we create, produce, and consume content. With KLING AI at the forefront of this change, the possibilities are endless. In conclusion, KLING AI represents a new frontier in content creation, one that's poised to disrupt traditional workflows and open up new possibilities for creativity and innovation. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, this technology has the potential to take your content to the next level. So what do you think about AI and content creation? Do you think it's the future, or do you have concerns? Let us know in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about the future of content creation, be sure to check out our next video, where we'll be exploring the top AI tools for creators.